The ESL has won its court case against FIFA and UEFA. Here is everything you need to know about the new and revamped European Super League. To be an open league with promotion and relegation, and there will be fair distributions of funds. All matches will be free to watch on a new platform called Unify, powered by A22 Sports. We will see how true that is in due time. Moving on, there will be a Super League for men and a Super League for women. The ESL for men will have 3 tiers. A Star League, which is the premium competition, and to have 16 clubs in it and to be divided into 2 groups of 8. The second league is the Gold League, and it will have 16 teams in it and to be divided into 2 groups of 8 as well. And lastly, we'll have the Blue League, which will have 32 teams and it will be divided into 4 groups of 8. Each team will play 14 matches, 7 at home, 7 away from home. The top 4 clubs from the 2 groups from the Star League and the Gold League will qualify for the knockout rounds, while the top 2 clubs from each of the 4 groups in the Blue League will qualify for the knockout rounds. So at this stage, we'll have 8 teams from the Star League, 8 teams from the Gold League, and 8 teams from the Blue League in the knockout round. Each teams will then go into a quarterfinals, then a semi-finals, playing both home and away. A final will now happen on a neutral ground, so at the end of it all, we'll have a Star League champion, a Gold League champion, and a Blue League champions. Will there be relegation and promotion? Let's take a look as well. In the Star League, the bottom teams from each of the 2 groups will drop down to the Gold League, and the 2 finalists from the Gold League will be promoted now to the Star League. In the Gold League, the bottom teams from each of the 2 groups drops down to the Blue League, and the 2 Blue League finalists gets promoted to the Gold League. In the Blue League, 20 teams are relegated and 20 new teams comes in from different domestic leagues. Each team stands a chance so far they have a good standing and they did well in their respective domestic leagues. The European Super League is still a midweek competition. It will have no impact on the domestic leagues.